Hello children, how are you all? So today, 4th class children will learn the next topic in the 4th lesson, that is pronouns. So the name of the lesson is pronouns. Right children, do you remember or not? So on page number 31, possessive pronouns. The topic which we will learn today is possessive pronouns. So what are possessive pronouns? Read these sentences. This is Jenny's book. This book is hers. This is your cycle. This cycle is yours. So if the book belongs to Jenny, it is hers. Hers denote Jenny's ownership of the book. If the cycle belongs to you, it is yours. Yours denotes your ownership of the cycle. So what are possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns are show the belongings. Like this book is mine. So this book is mine. Mine shows the possession of this book. This book belongs to me. అంటే ఈ బుక్ నాది నాది అన్న పదం మైన్ కదా ఇంగ్లీష్లో అంటాం. సో ఈ వర్డ్స్ ఏ అయితే బిలాంగింగ్స్ చూపిస్తాయి ఆ వర్డ్స్ని పజెసివ్ ప్రొనౌన్స్ అంటాం. ఓకేనా? సో ఈ సెంటెన్స్లో దిస్ ఈజ్ జెనీస్ బుక్, దిస్ బుక్ ఈజ్ హర్స్. సో హర్స్ అన్నది ఏంటి? పజెసివ్ ప్రొనౌన్. దిస్ సైకిల్ ఈజ్ యోర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ యోర్ సైకిల్, దిస్ సైకిల్ ఈజ్ యోర్స్. సో యోర్స్ అన్నది ఏంటి? పజెసివ్ ప్రొనౌన్. రైట్ చిల్డ్రన్? So possessive pronouns are used to show ownership or possession. Okay. So possessive pronouns too have singular and plural forms. Look at the table below. So here see they have shown a table to make us understand what are the use of possessive pronouns. Okay. So person, first person singular mine, plural ours. Okay. Then second person yours, yours. Third person his, her, its, theirs. Right children? So you have to go through this table to understand it. Okay. The usage of the possessive pronouns. So we never use s for possessive pronouns. It means it is. It's a castle over there is the same as it is a castle over there. So we never use apostrophe s for possessive pronouns. So apostrophe s ఎప్పుడు possessive pronouns కి యూజ్ చేయం మనం రాయడానికి. డైరెక్ట్ s రాస్తాం. hers hers, ours ours, theirs, like that. Okay. So it's mean it is. It's a castle over there is the same as it is a castle over there. The cottage is small, its walls are brown. The cottage is small, its walls are brown. Okay. So possessive pronouns రాసినప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు అపాస్ట్రఫీ ఎస్ యూజ్ చేయరు. కామా వేసి ఎస్ రాస్తాం కదా, అది ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయరు, కలిపి రాస్తాం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్? సో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ సి, అండర్లైన్ ద possessive pronouns in these sentences. One has been done for you. సో ఈ సెంటెన్సెస్లో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ సిలో possessive pronounsని అండర్లైన్ చేయాలి చిల్డ్రన్. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ మనకని చేశారు చూడండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ దేర్ కార్, దిస్ కార్ ఈజ్ theirs. సో theirs అన్నది possessive pronouns. Okay, second one, that is their house, that house is theirs. So theirs another possessive pronoun. Exercise C, page 31. Second one, theirs. Theirs ni underline cheyalama. Those shoes are mine and these are yours. So yours another possessive pronoun. Fourth one, I lost the pink hat, it was hers. Hers. Fifth one, Tara forgot her book, she can borrow mine. So ఇవన్నీ ఏంటమ్మా possessive pronouns. The red notebook is on the table, it is his. Note down. Okay children, so the next exercise, let's perfect it. Exercise A on page number 32. So children, I want you to do this exercise. Okay children, so you have to fill in the blanks with demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns, and whatever pronoun you have used, you have to write here demonstrative, whether it is a demonstrative adjective or whether it is a demonstrative pronoun. Okay, if you are confused or you have any confusion, go to this paragraph on page number 30. Okay, so you will know properly what is demonstrative adjective and what is demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so moving on to the next exercise, exercise B. Fill in the blanks with his, hers, ours, yours or theirs. So first one is done. We live in this lane, that blue house at the end is ours. Second one, Tina has borrowed my pencil, she has misplaced hers. First one is hers. Second, sorry, this is second one. Third one, Rahul and you will share the pizza. This is his share and this is yours. Rahul and you will share this pizza, so yours. Fourth one, I will bring my storybook in the evening, don't forget, yours. So you have to use this option wherever it is possible, wherever it is needed. You can use the option 2-3 times, same option, same pronoun 2-3 times. Okay children, no problem. Fifth one, we must not think of things as mine or theirs. Mine or meedi, madi antam kada ala. Theirs. Everything is ours. Sixth one, turn to page number 33. I am sharing my marbles with Rishi. These are mine and these are his. Note down children. Seventh one, these are not our bags, they must belong to those girls. Yes, they are theirs. Eighth one, Hari has a new bicycle, this old one is not his. Ninth one, this is David's bag, then the books inside it must be his. 10th one, Jaya and I painted these two baskets. The pink one is mine and the blue one is hers. Our cousins live across the street. That yellow house is theirs. I put my brushes in this cup. I don't know whose cup it is. Is it yours? Note down children. So children, did you understand this exercise? Exercise B, filling the blanks with his, hers, ours, yours and theirs. So here we have used the demonstrative pronouns. Okay children. So here we live in this lane. First one, that blue house at the end is ours. Tina has borrowed my pencil. She has misplaced hers. So she ante oka girl gurinchi maatladutunnam kabatti hers అని వస్తుంది. Rahul and you will share the pizza. This is a share and this is yours. So ఒకరికి చెప్తున్నాం కాబట్టి yours. I will bring my storybook in the evening. Don't forget yours. We must not think of things as mine or theirs. Everything is ours. So we must not think of things as mine or theirs. Everything is ours. I am sharing my marbles with Rishi. These are mine and these are his. These are not our bags. They must belong to those girls. Yes, they are theirs. Hari has a new bicycle. This old one is not his. This is David's bag. Then the books inside it must be his. Jaya and I painted two baskets. The pink one is mine and the blue one is hers. Our cousins live across the street. That yellow house is theirs. I put my brushes in this cup. I don't know whose cup it is. Is it yours? Okay, children, so did you understand? Did you note it down? So right, children, the homework, the exercise which I have given for homework on page number 32, exercise A, do it properly. If you have any doubts, take help from your parents. Right, children, so I hope you understood this lesson of pronouns. We have completed this lesson. In the next class we will learn a new chapter in the grammar book. Okay, take care.